Celebrate your life. Celebrate each moment. Can you see those scars that you've left on the fence? Brahma Day or Brahma Night, we'll call it a Kalpa. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Siddesh. Before starting the video, I would request you all to like the video, comment on the video, share the video as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to keep getting notification whenever a new video is posted. Today I'm going to talk about a story from Mahabharata which is not very well known, but this story is the origin, is the beginning of Mahabharata. So this is the story of how Shantanu met Ganga and how Bhishma came into existence. So basically, King Shantanu was the king of Hastinapur, and one day he was going out in the jungle for hunting. There he saw a very beautiful, mesmerizing lady with deep black eyes, long silky hair and shining skin. He was completely blown away and he fell in love with her at first sight. He immediately went down to her and started asking her for marriage. Not once, not twice, he kept asking. Finally, she agreed to getting married to him, but she kept a condition that if this condition is broken, I'll leave you and go, and you cannot question me ever. So, the condition was that he should never ask her anything for her actions. Any action she does, he should not ask the reason. And as long as he does that, for any of her actions, she is going to remain with him in the kingdom. And the day he asks her a question, she is going to leave. So this was the condition she put forward, and Shantanu was completely mesmerized and he couldn't tell no to her. And now they got married and they both stayed together. Now Ganga gave birth to sons one after the other. Okay. But what she did with them was completely shocking to Shantanu and the kingdom. As soon as the son was born, she used to take the son to the river and throw him in the waters. So basically, whenever a son was born, she used to kill the son by putting him in water, by drowning him. This kept happening, and one day Shantanu wanted to find out why she's doing this, and he went behind her and he saw her doing this. And this time it was the 8th child, and she was about to drown the 8th child. And at that time Shantanu stopped her. And he told Ganga, "Give me a second, Ganga. I want to know why you are doing this. I want to know the reason. I saw 7 of my children dying in front of me, but I cannot allow my 8th child to die." And at that time Ganga told that, "You had promised me that you'll not ask me a question, but because you have asked a question for my action, I'm going to tell you the story." So then she told the story that actually in the previous life, what happened was that there were 8 brothers who were known as Vasus, who were Devtas. Okay? So these Devtas and their wives had gone on a stroll. What happened was that one of the Devtas' wife saw a beautiful cow, and they all got so attracted by the beautiful beauty of that cow that they told their husbands to steal the cow. And so all these 8 Devtas stole this cow. But what they did not know was that this cow belonged to Guru Vasishtha. Sage Vasishtha got to know about this, and he got really angry and he cursed all the 8 brothers. He cursed these 8 Devtas, that these 8 Devtas will be born as humans on earth. The 8 brothers were completely devastated and they went back asking forgiveness. by returning the cow. Although sage Vasishta's anger decreased, but once a curse was given, it couldn't be taken back. So he told them that I accept your forgiveness, but I cannot take my curse back. Instead, the 7 of you will have age of only 9 months, he told, and one of them has to complete one full human life. So that is what he did. He told them and he came back. And these 8 people had to be born in this life, and Ganga was going to be mother. That's the reason why 7 of them were killed by her, by putting them in water. And the 8th one, who had to complete his whole curse, was Bhishma. So Ganga told him that, as I told you in my promise, I am not going to kill this child now, but I am going to leave this kingdom, leave you and go. I will come back with this child when he's completed his education and return him back to you when he's 18. These were her last words, and she left, taking the child away. So this is how the origin of Mahabharata, the origin of Bhishma happened. And thank you guys. See you in the next video.